So the research is going to guide how the mechanics are designed, and I am going to recruit some programmers and also program some of it myself. So that's the software project, and the hardware project is the mancave centerpiece with the Star Wars chess set replica.
The colonist characters are not potato people or moronic aliens like Kerbal, but they are something highly stylized like intricate stick figures with a lot of gesture control. The variety of the scattered throughout the system's props and costumes would have to be in the thousands to allow for enough creativity. Space travel is not literal, as in it's not based on real time or to scale. It's more designed around the user experience. You can speed up travel between sectors and planets, but only by a single degree, fast or normal rate of speed. The control system is more focused around direction of travel in order to find new planets. For example, exploring some of the bleak, more empty sectors, the less traveled areas. Exploded planets can be found in data logs left behind sometimes, but there are no NPC or AI data logs. All data logs are created by users, so there won't be as many to find in the beginning stages from launch. Still talking about my minimalist social network, Explore Network. I want to get a UI design a UI, user interface, which is how the user interacts with the software, usually a control system like a window or display and input buttons. Often there is the game visuals display somehow sectioned off against the visual of the control system, HUD or HUD. Some games have no HUD, like HUD Doom, like No HUD Doom Ultimate, but this is stylistic and effective as a choice that breaks the rules. My user interface, my UI, will look super complicated, like really Minority Report-esque high-tech or lawnmower man, but is in fact super simple to use, so it gives the user the look and feel of being really clever while having an easy-to-learn control system. It also gets that immersion into like really high-tech fantasy world of science fiction, basically. Fulfilling the ideal of easy to learn, challenging to master, and the colonist logs enable and empower individualism and creativity. How do the props and gestures work? Well, the gestures would be a trimmed down version of something like sign language. Costumes and props would need to be individually conceptualized, listed, designed with detail, and created graphically as both icons and worn items. Each item unique and scattered in groups throughout the universe.